Well, temperatures have been dropping all afternoon, now all evening, and now they're located in the upper 20s. Wind still breezy out of the northwest at 12 miles per hour. We're looking at mostly cloudy skies across the area. Here's a look at temperatures at this hour across the region. We've got teens and low 20s not too far to the north along I-70, and that cold air has crept into northwest and north central areas of Arkansas. Still holding on to some warm weather, though, across parts of Louisiana and Mississippi. That's going to get replaced with colder temperatures over the next 24 hours. And with this cold moving into areas of Arkansas and Tennessee and northern Mississippi overnight tonight, and a storm which currently is swirling away across parts of Arizona and New Mexico. As that moves east and sort of invigorates that cold front, generates a wave of precipitation that we're really already finding breaking out across Texas and Oklahoma into northern Arkansas. That's going to make for some early season southern snow for parts of Arkansas through northwest Mississippi and western Tennessee and points east later tonight and into the daytime hours on Tuesday. It looks like that round of wintry weather is going to stay just southeast of the Ozarks. All we're really going to sample is a lot of high cloudiness, and we will find a lot of high cloudiness the remainder of the night and into the morning hours tomorrow. Those clouds, though, should be on the way out as we get into the late morning and early afternoon time frame. So it looks like a bright afternoon, albeit a cold afternoon, with temperatures struggling to warm through the 30s and up to around 40 degrees. You can see on the northern edge of that shield of rainfall, we're going to have a stripe of light snow here across parts of northwest Mississippi and into Tennessee. In some places, maybe a few inches snowfall out of that. Again, for us, we're just going to be looking at a dry forecast. Here's our hour-by-hour weather, and overnight tonight, again, mostly cloudy skies. We'll hold on to that. We'll find that for the morning hours. Looks like at least partly sunny conditions for the first half of the morning. I think by late morning here in Springfield, we'll be looking at mostly sunny conditions, and the high clouds to our east and south, they'll be on the way out as we work through the early to mid-afternoon time frame, and we will close out the day on Tuesday with generally clear skies west to east across the area. Temperatures tonight, they'll continue to drop. Looks like about 23 or 24 here in Springfield for a low 20s common to the east and north. And then for tomorrow, we'll see temperatures warming through the 30s up to around 40 here in Springfield. Looks like about 39 in Rolla and Salem. Areas to the south in Branson and Harrison will likely top out in the low 40s. And wind's not terribly strong out of the northwest at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Quiet, cool stretch of weather follows for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday into Saturday, but we will have a cold front moving through early Saturday, so some cold air will be working in during the front end of the weekend, and it'll try to get established for the back end of the weekend. And that's when things get a little bit more interesting. You know, this current wave of wintry weather that's passing by to our southeast, we're not going to sample any of that wintry weather, but it looks like another scenario that could offer up a little bit of wintry weather will be taking shape late in the weekend into early next week as a storm digs into the southwestern U.S. and then eventually pushes out. And that will likely generate a wave of light rain across parts of the southern plains. And on the northern edge of that, we could find a little bit of light snow. That would be probably developing sometime later Sunday into Sunday night, and then we may still have some snow showers around on Monday. So that's, if you're a winter weather fan, that's all I've got for you in terms of some interesting weather for us locally. Otherwise, pretty quiet forecast through the week into the upcoming weekend. Temperatures in the low 50s. That's a little bit above normal for this time of the year. And then you can see late in the weekend into early next week, we'll be watching that time frame for that little system. And then on Saturday, we have the Springfield downtown Springfield Christmas Parade. Now we'll find quiet conditions, partly sunny skies, about 46 for the high with winds out of the northwest at about 10 to 15 miles per hour.
Okay, so not bad overall for
really
a Christmas parade out there, and the kids always bring those bags, so
we're going to be out there. The three of us are going to be out there handing out candy.
That's
walking,
right, yeah.
So.
I think the
Walking
kids
or running.
might get more candy at these Christmas parades than at Halloween. It's
Oh,
possible.
I bet they do.
It's possible. It's always a good time,
At least for me, they're getting lots of candy.
That's
so
right.
look for me. I'll be
We got buckets of it.
Well, let's see if you can give away some money today. What's our Viewers Club number?
Hopefully. Well, that number tonight is 239-136, and our jackpot is $400.
All right, Jamie, thanks. On the way here at 10, a watchdog.